Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Past NJ24 TV. So Wizkid first son, Bolu has shared reaction online after being seen spreading money on his younger one, Zion. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any update from this channel. Bolu was seen spreading 1,000 naira note on his younger one while Zion was dancing heavily with joy. Many have revealed there's much love between them for behaving that way and the kind of interaction between them. Bolu Ayodeji Balogun has referred to himself as a money man, and he revealed that they call him that for a reason.